So now let's learn how to make our own YouTube. Now, before I start that, I just want to mention a few things. We will need a video. So because we are learning about how to make a video tag and we are going to make a YouTube kind of a platform. So we have to understand one thing, we need a video. So I have already downloaded this video in the same location where I have my file. So in case if you need a video, you can use it Pixabay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply come to my particular this live loading page and I will simply come here and I'll say video. Similar to audio, we have a video tag. I'll say src and I have video.mp4. I'll save the file. So now you can see I have this particular file. But the problem is currently it does not feel that I can play this. So my dream of making a YouTube alternative is already dead. Well, it's not. What we have to do, first of all, let me actually change the height. So I'll keep it as 200 pixels. So at least it is visible for us properly. So you can see right now I cannot do anything. So what I'll do, now I'll say controls. Once I save the file, now you can see all the controls. So I can make it full screen and I've lost the control. I can mute the audio part of it. I can even download that and I'll simply click on play. So you can see now the video is running. And just to give you the proof, you can see the frog is also turning. So now, one more thing, or I would say one last thing we want to do. We want to create a mechanism or a way with which we can actually create some videos which are clickbait. So how we will do that? I need to have a thumbnail option. So what I'll do, I'll simply come here and I'll say poster. And in poster, I will say what is the name of file? It's frog.jfif. I'll save the file. And now you can see there is a separate thumbnail, or I would say poster. And when I click on this, there is a separate video out of it. So this is how we are going to make our own YouTube. So that's it for this particular video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment. If you have a question related to your career, I come live every Saturday at 1 p.m. So you can get the details in the description of this particular video, and all the source code is also available in the description of this video. So with this, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.